Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make FB dark mode on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook. Once in the Facebook app, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Settings and Privacy. Then you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, you're going to scroll down until you see dark mode. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select on. And that's it. As you can see right here, dark mode is now turned on Facebook. And that's how to turn on or make Facebook dark mode on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.